Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today I've got this Lippan Art kit for you all. As Lippan Art is trending a lot, so we just thought of sharing this kit with you. This kit includes some mirrors, chalk paints, paintbrush, of course the base of 8 inches and the clay. So we have some different options in this designs. So I'm going to start with making this simplest evil eye with you guys. Here you get a pack of clay which has A and B. Here are 30 grams of mirror and sheets of chalk paint. So this base is of 8-inch circle. You can detach from this one and can start working on it. I'm going to start painting my base in the center black color. For the eye look we will be doing a white color. So after doing one coat of white and black, I'll be doing light blue color. The next color I'll be adding is a sea blue color. The last color I'll be adding is a dark blue color. While adding the last color, you can also paint your edges. So this is a shapeless clay by iCraft. And it has A and B component. So here I have a part A and B of a clay in my hand and it is a 1:1 ratio. We will be mixing in equal proportion and don't mix all together. You can start mixing a little together. And make sure you take the equal proportion of both the clay. And you need to mix it really well. And after mixing, you need to allow it to rest for 2 minutes. Once it's mixed properly, let's settle for 2 to 3 minutes. Just roll it and keep it aside. So after mixing, we'll divide into little part, and as this clay is a white in color, so you don't need to paint white on the top, and we'll start rolling. You can keep a transparent OHP sheet or any plastic below so that you don't spoil on your table. And you don't need to apply any talcum powder or anything on top of it. With a gentle hand you can start rolling and keep rolling until you get the thickness you are looking for. This way we will make 2 to 3 coils with the clay. You can always practice a small coils first and then make the bigger ones. So here my coils are ready and let's transfer this on a base. You can apply any adhesive before transferring. Now we can also give nice detailing on the clay from the back side of your knife. After completing with the clay, now we will be adding a mirror for the decor. You can also stick this mirror with any glue. So here is a final look of a mirror, Lippan Art mirror, and it's looking so pretty and amazing. Just can't take off my eyes. So do try your hands with our kit, and it's a very simple, easy, and don't forget to subscribe our channel.